Welcome back to my channel. I'm the host, John Shaft, and this is my C7 Corvette channel. You're looking at on the screen a wide body C8 R. Welcome back to the channel. I'm the host, John Shaft, and this is my C7 Corvette channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the wide body against the stock body C8 Corvette. This is about the second time I've seen a wide body C8 Corvette, and this team has definitely outdid themselves. As you can see, the front end lift there, the carbon fiber. They had a carbon fiber just about over the whole complete over the whole complete vehicle, including the hood vents, where you can see that the stock C8 don't have a hood vent. And I must say, this wide body is a magnificent car, and if it's anything like what GM is going to bring about with the Z06, we are in for a treat. The whole front end here is it's carbon fiber, as you can see. The stock is carbon flash. Even has the side vents on it, which is carbon fiber. The stock C8 doesn't even have vents like this at all, as you can see, as we compare the two. As you can see, he took off the Corvette logo and put his own logo on there. Somebody shooting a hoop. And on the side of the back of the fender, there's 3 vents that you just saw. They truly outdid themselves when they came up with this idea of this C8. Even the top is also carbon fiber. And as you can see, compared to the stock, which is carbon flash, even the door handle and the boomerang is carbon fiber. And he doesn't have that with the stock. Now let's take a look at the rear of the vehicle. This is carbon flash here. This is the stock vehicle. Now let's take a look at the wide body kit. As you can see, it's carbon fiber. Everything carbon fiber. You can get the camera mount also in carbon fiber, or you can get it at the color of the vehicle. Thing I like about this C8 here, wide body, that you don't even see any kind of screws or anything like that. Only thing you see is just a wide body, and it flows perfectly with the car. It doesn't look like something I add on to it. And as you can see now, the little side window on the wide body is carbon fiber, and on the stock vehicle, that's I think that's plastic. It's not even glass. And as you can see, the side rockers also carbon fiber. And you see the difference in the side rockers on the wide body and on the stock. The stock is more plain. And some vehicles C8 stocks, they don't even come with side rockers. But this one does. But you can see the difference in the wide body side rockers and the stock. The wide body is made out of carbon fiber, and it also has that red trimming around it, as you can see. It even had the carbon fiber cups for the mirrors. I only hope that the Z06, when it comes out, is going to be similar to this wide body that we see on the screen. As you can see, she also had a high wing, which is carbon fiber. It's on the wide body. And she had a little winglet tips. So there's not much of a gap in the high spar in the back of the bill fiber. Now we will compare that to the stock. And let's see what the stocks is like. And see, as you can see, the stocks are exhaust is on the end of the vehicle. This is the wide body C8 Corvette. And keep in mind, it is not the Z06. It is the base model Stingray. First wide body kit for this particular vehicle. And it is magnificent. She has 355/25 ZR21 wheels on it. That's the wide body. The stock has 325/25 ZR121 on them. So you can see how the difference in the wide body. 355 on the wide body C8, and 325 on the stock. Well, this is John Shaft. This is my C7 Corvette channel. And we are comparing the wide body against the stock body of the C8 Corvette. I ask you to hit the like button, share button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you know when I'm doing an upload. This is truly a magnificent vehicle, a wide body, when it comes out in the Z06. I only hope it looks like this. Show it into something, because I hear the bump and then it came on. So I guess that means it has some kind of show at the end, you know. depending on what trim level you get, this vehicle probably can go as much as $125,000 to $135,000. So it's not cheap. But the base model of the Z06, which is the 1LT, is probably around probably starting at about $85,000, between $85,000 and $95,000. And if you want like a L3 with all the bells and whistles and trimmings on it, then you probably looking at probably around $125,000, $130,000. But keep in mind that this is a mid-engine sports car, and this Z06 is going to be competing with the supercars that's already on the market. You know, such as the Lamborghini, McLaren, and Ferrari, and Lotus, Porsche. So this Z06 is going to be competing with these vehicles. And as you know too, that GM is coming out with a C8.R packager, where you can get this option for about $6,000, maybe a little bit more than $6,000. And this is an added option that you can get. And they're gonna only be putting out about 1,000 of these vehicles. And as you can see on the screen, the gray with the yellow stripes and trimming package on it, with the driver number on it. And this is exactly how the C8 is going to look. They only want to put out 1,000 of these, and then it's a celebration of the C8.R, which we know the street version or the C8.R is the Z06. And again, it's set to come out its debut is set for September of this year, but the vehicle is actually set to go into manufacturing in 2023. So this is some very exciting news, you know, about the Z06. And this video was released yesterday by GM concerning the Z06. It was more like a teaser type of video, you know, let the public know what was coming and what was going on with the you know, with the next model of the Corvette. And this is only the beginning. This is going to be a natural aspirated vehicle. It's not going to be super turbocharged like the C7 was. So I'm thinking that the super turbocharged and all these other things probably going to be added into the making of another model. You know, such as the Zorro model and the ZR1, and then you have the E-Ray model too. So you still have a lot of different models coming out. The Z06 is the next model that's set to come out, and we all eagerly anticipating and looking forward to this vehicle. This is the one I wanted for myself. And as you can see also on the screen, that the C8 logo has changed drastically from the C6 to the C7. This is John Shaft. This is my C7 Corvette channel, where all things are Corvette. As you guys hit the like button, share button, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you will know when I am doing upload. And I would encourage you guys again to stop dreaming and start driving your new Corvette. Available this fall, the arrival of the Z06. Again, if you want yourself a CAR look-alike, and they have this option is $6,000, but you want yours to look exactly like this race car, and they only gonna be putting out 1,000 of these, so you better go ahead and hurry up and put your application in for it.